In this video, we're going over how to connect your Apple Airpods to your Moto G Stylus. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to pair your Apple Airpods to your Moto G Stylus. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the settings, or you can swipe down from the top, find your Bluetooth icon and hold down on it. This will take you to your Bluetooth section and you're going to tap pair new device. Now on the back of your AirPods you can see there's a little button that we're going to hold in a second. So just make sure you flip your AirPods over so you can see that button right there. We're going to tap on pair new device and then we're going to open the AirPods and then we're going to hold down that button for 2 seconds. 1 on 1000, 2 1000, and you're going to begin to see that little light begin to flash white. And here the AirPods have popped up. Tap on AirPods. Okay, you're going to check the box and hit pair. And that's it. Now officially our AirPods are now paired, and you can hit setup here to connect some other smart features as well. Just hit continue, and you can configure some other options of how your audio is going to come out. But basically our AirPods are paired and now they are ready to go. So that's it, guys. Now you'll notice your Bluetooth icon is going to look a little different now. It's got the 2 dots next to the symbol here, and by holding onto it you can see this is where you'll be able to connect to your AirPods. Normally you'll just open the case whenever you're close to your phone and it'll automatically connect. If it ever does it, just go back to this section and just tap on AirPods and make sure your AirPods are open, and it'll simply connect. And when it says active, that's how you know they are connected and ready for you to use. So I hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. I do want to give a plug for a really cool product. For those of you that have AirPods, but maybe the batteries kind of run out quickly, we have this cool accessory by a company called Pitaka. It's basically a battery case for your AirPods to help give you more battery time without having to charge so much. And there's a belt clip. You can simply clip this right on your belt, and it will allow you to just carry your AirPods with you and make it a little bit easier to keep up with them. So this will extend your battery time, clip to your belt, and it's a nice accessory, and it comes in a cool black carbon fiber. So I'll leave a link below in the description for this. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a little giveaway. Leave a comment down below and let us know which version of AirPods you have, and we will hook up one of our viewers with one of these cool cases for your AirPods. So hope you guys found this helpful. Again, like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.